Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a specific accessory that's quite important for users of the Pyle Pro PTED06 7-pad electronic drum machine. This is a 6-foot USB cable data sync cord, specifically designed as a replacement or spare for that particular drum machine. It comes from the brand PTED06. Now, the key thing to understand about this cable is its purpose. It's for data sync. This means it allows you to connect your PTED06 drum machine to a computer or other compatible device to transfer data, which is essential for recording, using software, or potentially updating firmware, depending on the drum machine's capabilities. Looking at the construction, the information provided states it's a generic replacement product, but it's explicitly mentioned as 100% compatible with the Pyle Pro PTED06. This is crucial because not all USB cables are created equal, especially when it comes to specific devices. It's also highlighted that these are tested units and are in great working condition. Plus, they are CE certified, which adds a layer of confidence regarding safety and quality standards. The cable adheres to the high-speed USB 2.0 standard, which means it's capable of data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. While newer standards like USB 3.0 or 3.1 exist, USB 2.0 is perfectly adequate for the data transfer needs of most electronic drum machines like the PTED06. You won't typically be transferring massive video files, so 480 megabits per second is more than sufficient for MIDI data, audio samples, or other relevant information. In terms of connectors, this cable features a 4-pin USB Type-A male connector on one end and a 4-pin USB Type-B male connector on the other. This is a standard configuration for many peripherals, including printers, scanners, and yes, electronic musical instruments like drum machines. The Type-A end is the flat, rectangular connector that typically plugs into your computer's USB port, while the Type-B end is the squarish connector that plugs into the device itself. In this case, the Pyle Pro PTED06. It's a male-to-male connector gender setup, as expected for a standard connection cable. The length of the cable is 6 feet. This is a good, practical length. It provides enough slack to connect your drum machine to a computer that might not be right next to it, offering flexibility in your setup without having excessive, tangled cable. A 6-foot length is often a sweet spot for home studio or practice room setups. The cable comes in a standard black color, which is typical and blends in well with most electronic equipment. So, if you own a Pyle Pro PTED06 and need a reliable cable for data sync, whether your original is lost, damaged, or you just need a spare, this Konkin BO 6-foot USB cable appears to be a solid, compatible option based on the specifications provided. Its adherence to USB 2.0, the correct A-male to B-male connectors, the 6-foot length, and the assurance of being tested and compatible make it a practical choice for connecting your drum machine for data purposes. It serves its function directly, enabling the digital connection needed to get the most out of your electronic drumming setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.